everyone! Today I will talk about how to set up of the SQL X-STORE app. Let's start by connecting your e-commerce store to X-STORE. From the sidebar menu, go to Stores and click Link Store. Select your store platform, choose the appropriate region, and click Link Store. You can log in using your existing account or switch to a different account if needed. Once your account is verified, click Confirm Authorization. Select the authorization period and confirm again. Your store is now successfully connected. After linking, X-STORE will automatically sync your product, order, and payment data from the past 3 days. To prevent system overload, sync actions will be temporarily locked for about 10 minutes. Once the process is completed, manual sync will become available. In this step, I'll show you how to sync stock items from SQL account for product mapping and quantity control. Make sure your store is mapped to the correct stock item location. Otherwise, the items may not appear after syncing. Click Inventory greater than stocks in the sidebar. Click Sync Stock. Here, you can choose to sync only specific items or sync all items at once by selecting the items you need and then click Sync Selected. Once the process is completed, all successfully synced items will appear in the table. Next, we'll set up code mapping to ensure invoices are posted correctly to SQL account. Sync stock, customer, location, and payment codes from SQL account to map codes such as location, project, voucher, discount, shipping, transaction, payment, and customer codes for invoice posting to SQL account. From the sidebar, go to Stores. Click the config setting icon of any store. In this part, you'll need to map the corresponding codes from SQL account to X-STORE. Select the code type from the drop-down for each corresponding codes. Once you've completed the mapping, click Map Codes to proceed. A success message will appear once the mapping is completed. To manually sync product data, go to Inventory, then select Products. Click the sync icon. Here, you can tick the checkboxes to select stores you want to sync and click Sync Selected. To manually sync order data, go to Orders. Click the sync icon. Here, you can apply a date filter by selecting a date range using the date picker. If no date range is selected, the system will automatically sync data from the past 3 days. Select the store, then click Sync Selected. To manually sync payment data, go to Payment. Click the sync icon. Select the date range and store as needed. If no date range is selected, the system will automatically sync data from the past 3 days. Click Sync Selected to proceed. That's all for today, and have a nice day.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and stay updated with our latest videos, Facebook posts, and important guides on our website.